I made $72,000 with a brand new Instagram account, and I did this without paid ads, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same thing as well. So just a bit of proof right here. Just gonna jump on my screen and show you that I've actually made way more than that, right? But just with a brand new Instagram channel, it's about 72,000. But I've generated millions of dollars online using social media, and I'll show you exactly how I tie in social media and Instagram with something else in a second to show you how I generated this income. This was my first million. I've made almost 3 million online right now, and this is a physical award that actually arrived in the mail for my first million, okay? Generated online with social media and with something else, which I'm going to reveal to you in a second, all right? So just to show you that proof, and then I'm also going to show you the websites just to show you that this really is possible with a brand new site. Now, this is a brand new Instagram account that I started a few months ago. You can see 263 followers, okay? Now you can see 399 followers, so it's slowly growing over time. 501, 900, 1,100, 2,000 followers, 3,000, 4,000, 7,000, 20,000, 50,000, 65,000, and now we're about roughly about 70,000, which I'll show you live in a second, okay? So I just want to show you that you can generate a lot of income with Instagram, even if you start from zero. I mean, again, I started this account a few months ago, and I consistently do that, you know, I start brand new social media accounts just to prove to people that you don't necessarily need to have, you know, millions of followers in order to generate a lot of income, okay? And I'm going to show you how this works and why this is so different from what other people are doing. And by the way, I'm going to show you exactly how this strategy works in a lot of detail in my free masterclass. So if you don't want to wait till the end of this video, but you still want to get the masterclass, you can access it anytime in the comment section below. Now let me jump to my browser and I'll show you exactly how this works. So this is the exact same Instagram account, and you can see that I've currently got 71,000 followers, okay? So it's not bad, it's somewhere in the middle. You know, we're not even at hundreds of thousands or even millions of followers, but I've generated, you know, at least $72,000 in commissions with this particular site. And the reason why I'm able to do that is because I'm not an influencer, right? We're not trying to, you know, make millions of followers and then do brand deals with companies. That's not what we're trying to do. All we're trying to do is we're trying to get leads with the videos that we're doing. So as you upload content, and you can see here I'm uploading a lot of content, right? I upload about 1 to 3 videos a day in my specific niche. So you can choose any niche: dog training, business, relationships, parenting, whatever you want. And you basically talk about that particular niche, and you're giving advice, you're giving people resources, you're telling your story, you're educating people, you're entertaining people, okay? And by virtue of doing that, what you're going to do is naturally people will follow you, but we don't really care about the number of followers. So that's why a lot of people think that you have to have millions of followers to make tens of thousands of dollars a month, when you don't, okay? We're trying to be marketers, we're not trying to be an influencer, and I'm going to show you how to do this, okay? So what we're going to do next is, as we upload content, 1 to 3 videos a day, all we care about is how many views we get on the videos, right? We don't really care about the follower count. People will just naturally follow you, but the more views we can get, the more leads we're going to generate. So if you look at one of the latest videos I uploaded, there's about 86,000 views right here, 2,670 comments, right, with this particular video. And with this video, I'm generating hundreds of leads a day. Let me just show you right here, okay? I mean, combined, right? But after a few months, I've finally been able to generate hundreds of leads. Let me just show you to my lead tracker. And you can see that today for Instagram, right, I've generated 259 clicks, and 40% of people opted in. So I generated 105 leads just from Instagram. That's not even including all of my other social platforms like TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, for example, right? This is just Instagram. So if you can generate hundreds of leads a day with one lead source, imagine what you can do with multiple. And this is continuing to grow. Remember, this channel is only a few months old, right? Hey, just real quick, I'm not here to entertain you. I'm here to make you money. So if that's what you're after, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So what we're doing is, we don't really care so much about, again, followers. We want to get views so that people will come through, watch it, get entertained. They will click on our link. They will go through our sales funnel. And then this is the secret, okay? What we want to do is we want to send people through a process, and then we want to recommend a digital product that will help them to solve their problem. So for example, I'm in the affiliate marketing space. I'm teaching people how to make more income on the side using affiliate marketing, selling digital products. So ultimately, the thing that I'm going to sell them is a video training program that will teach them step by step exactly how to do that. So how do they solve their biggest problem? Now, you can do this for any niche, like I mentioned. You can do this for dog training, for parenting, for collecting honey from bees, right? Cultivating bees, whatever you want, yeah? And as long as you can find a digital product on any of the large digital platforms out there, and all you need to do is just come to Google. I'll show you how to do this live right now. You know, top 10 digital product networks, okay, to find products. And literally, Gemini is just going to show you all the places where you can find different products, okay? So here are some of the marketplaces, okay? Gumroad, Etsy, Payhip, Lemon Squeezy, Selfie, Podia, right? There are some other ones as well where you can, you know, if you just want to put affiliate, that might make it a bit more specific, for example, right? And it's still going to pull out, and you can see here, these are the ones: ClickBank, Digistore, PartnerStack, JV, Zoo Warrior Plus, Impact. So these are all global affiliate networks where you can come here and find all sorts of different products to sell. You only need one, okay? You don't need 100 products. But I just wanted to show you that it's actually not complicated when you understand the strategy. So what are we doing? We are uploading videos consistently. We're not caring about the number of followers. We're just caring about adding as much value, educating, entertaining, giving people resources, helping them to solve their problems in a very specific niche. We're being really consistent by uploading 1 to 3 videos a day, and you know, carousels as well. Carousels are also doing very well on Instagram. So for example, let me just show you one of my top carousels right here. You know, this one did, you can see 2,775 comments. This one did 33,000 comments, right? This one did 893 comments, you know, so the more you do it, the better you get. Some of these ones not so good. This one, 10,000 comments, right? These are all carousels. This one, 2,495 comments. So the more comments we get, the more leads we can generate, because we can create some automation, right? So we don't have to manually send people the links. And I'll show you how to do that inside of my masterclass, all right? And then what happens is people go through the funnel, they get more value through the funnel, and then we recommend them the digital product from one of these networks that we picked right here, okay? So that's how I was able to create $72,000 from a brand new Instagram account. Now imagine if you're just getting started and you combine this with other social platforms too, not just Instagram. You combine it with Facebook, you combine it with YouTube, you combine it with TikTok, right? You can grow really, really big. And so the reason why I wanted to show you this is because a lot of people think that you need to be, you know, a massive influencer, have millions and millions of followers to make money. You don't at all, because a lot of people are focusing on the wrong thing. We don't care so much about followers. We just want to get views and then siphon them off the platform, bring them into our sales funnel, add more value, and then sell them a digital product. That's how I made millions in the end. And you can learn to do this too, okay? So let me know what you thought in the comment section below. If you got some value, would appreciate some thumbs ups. And if you're like, Aaron, this sounds awesome, how do I do this strategy from start to finish? How do I set up the profiles? What do I talk about? How do I build the sales funnel? Where do I find the products? What products should I pick? How should I sell them, right? I've got that all in my free masterclass. If you want to check it out, it's right in the comment section below. And I will see you in the next one. Take care.